old bench by the river, where we used to sit for hours. You would smile beneath the willow, holding little springtime flowers. The years have come and gently gone. Our hair has turned to silver gray, but every evening when I wander, I still hear the words you'd say. Oh, the days may fade like autumn leaves, but love grows old so gracefully. Though time has taken many things, your tender heart still sings to me. Like the sunset on the mountains, soft and golden as before, I keep your memory beside me as I walk this road once more. The children now have families, the house is quiet every night, yet your laughter fills the hallway like a gentle candlelight. I pour 2 cups of coffee still and watch the evening sky above, for some habits never leave us when a life is built on love. Wrinkles tell our little stories of hard work and joyful years. Every smile and every sorrow, every dream and every tear. Oh, the days may fade like autumn leaves, but love grows old so gracefully. Though time has taken many things, your tender heart still sings to me. And when the stars appear at twilight, I'll sit beneath the old oak tree until the heavens call me home. Your gentle love will stay with me. Every evening on this porch, I watch the fading ember glow. The same old trees, the same old road, where young men used used to laugh and go. My friends have all gone different ways, some beneath a quiet stone. Yet in the wind I hear their voices, and I no longer feel alone. Time is gentle, time is wild, turning every man into a child. The last light on the porch still shines, like old memories in my mind. Though the years have worn these hands, love and friendship always stand. I remember summer nights, simple dreams and city lights. Life was never rich or grand, but we had each other then. An old hat hangs beside the door, a faded picture on the wall. I smile at faces long departed, remembering every call. The grandchildren come on Sundays, their laughter fills the air once more. And for a little while I feel like the young man I was before. We chased the rain, we chased the sun, never thinking we'd grow old. Now every wrinkle tells a story more precious than silver or gold. The last light on the porch still shines through the changing of the times. Though my steps are slow today, my heart still walks the old pathways. And when the evening turns to night, I'll sit beneath the moon so bright. For every love and every friend lives in my heart until the end. The old clock hangs upon the wall, its gentle ticking fills the hall. The children have all grown and gone, yet I still hum our favorite song. The garden blooms each spring anew, just like the days I spent with you. Though years have painted silver hair, your loving smile is everywhere. When the evening comes again, I remember where we've been, through the laughter and the tears, through the passing of the years. Like an old and faithful tune, beneath the stars and quiet moon, love grows softer, deep and true, and my heart still walks with you. I sit beside the window light, watching birds return at night. The photographs in wooden frames still softly whisper all our names. The roads were long, the days were fast. We never thought time moved so fast, but every wrinkle that I see holds a precious memory. We were young, we had our dreams. Now life flows like gentle streams. Though many seasons passed us by, some loves never say goodbye. When the evening comes again, I remember where we've been, through the laughter and the tears, through the passing of the years. And if tomorrow calls my name, I'll leave this world without regret. For I have loved and I have lived, and your sweet memory lingers yet. Every evening on this porch, I watch the fading amber glow. The same old trees, the same old road, where young men used to laugh and go. My friends have all gone different ways, some beneath the quiet stone. Yet in the wind I hear their voices, and I no longer feel alone. Time is gentle, time is wild, turning every man into a child. The last light on the porch still shines, like old memories in my mind. Though the years have worn these hands, love and friendship always stand. I remember summer nights, simple dreams and city lights. Life was never rich or grand, but we had each other then. An old hat hangs beside the door, a faded picture on the wall. I smile at faces long departed, remembering every call. The grandchildren come on Sundays, their laughter fills the air once more. And for a little while I feel like the young man I was before. We chase the rain, we chase the sun, never thinking we'd grow old. Now every wrinkle tells a story more precious than silver or gold. The last light on the porch still shines through the changing of the times. Though my steps are slow today, my heart still walks the old pathways. And when the evening turns to night, I'll sit beneath the moon so bright. For every love and every friend lives in my heart until the end. Found your letters yesterday inside the drawer where they still stay. The paper's old, the ink has faded, but every word is softly painted. You wrote about our little dreams, tiny house beside the stream. And though the years have come and gone, your loving words still carry on. The hands of time may bend and sway, precious memories always stay. These letters in the old drawer open every forgotten door. I can hear your gentle laugh walking down our old dirt path. Though my eyes are growing weak, your sweet voice is what I seek. Like autumn leaves that softly fall, your love still warms this aging soul. The old guitar leans by the wall. I barely play its strings at all, yet every chord still brings me back to younger days along the tracks. The children now have children too. Life moved faster than we knew, but every evening by the fire, I still remember our desires. Silver hair and wrinkled hands, we never knew how time would dance. But every season that has passed has made our simple love still last. These letters in the old drawer mean much more than ever before. For every line and every page has gently traveled through the age. And when the stars light up the sky, I sit alone and softly smile. For though the years have taken much, I still can feel your tender touch. There's an old bench by the river where we used to sit for hours. You would smile beneath the willow, holding little springtime flowers. The years have come and gently gone. Our hair has turned a silver gray, but every evening when I wander, I still hear the words you'd say. Oh, the days may fade like autumn leaves, but love grows old so gracefully. Though time has taken many things, your tender heart still sings to me. Like the sunset on the mountains, soft and golden as before. I keep your memory beside me as I walk this road once more. The children now have families, the house is quiet every night, yet your laughter fills the hallway like a gentle candlelight. I pour 2 cups of coffee still and watch the evening sky above. For some habits never leave us when a life is built on love. Wrinkles tell our little stories of hard work and joyful years. Every smile and every sorrow, every dream and every tear. Oh, the days may fade like autumn leaves, but love grows old so gracefully. Though time has taken many things, your tender heart still sings to me. And when the stars appear at twilight, I'll sit beneath the old oak tree until the heavens call me home. Your gentle love will stay with me. There's an old wooden chair beside mine, by the window where the sun still shines. I still place your cup there every day, though many years have slipped away. The garden roses bloom each spring, and birds return with songs they sing. But in the quiet afternoon, I softly hum our favorite tune. The world keeps turning, seasons change, yet some old hearts remain the same. The chair beside mine still waits for you, like the sky still waits for morning Though time has carried years away, your love is here with me each day. In every sunset's golden light, I see your smile shining bright. And while my hair has turned to gray, my heart has never gone away. The grandchildren laugh when they come near. Their little voices fill my ears. They ask me stories of the past, of how our simple love would last. I tell them love is patient and kind, a gentle hand through changing times. Not riches, fame, or grand display, just staying close along the way. The old radio still softly plays songs we danced to in younger days. Though my steps are slow today, I still remember every sway. The chair beside mine still waits for you, like the moon still waits for evening dew. Though life has aged these hands of mine, your precious love still gently shines. And when my final evening falls beyond these fields and autumn walls, I hope I'll hear your voice once more, waiting gently by heaven's door. There's an old wooden chair beside mine, by the window where the sun still shines. I still place your cup there every day, though many years have slipped away. The garden roses bloom each spring, and birds return with songs they sing. But in the quiet afternoon, I softly hum our favorite tune. The world keeps turning, seasons change, yet some old hearts remain the same. The chair beside mine still waits for you, like the sky still waits for morning blue. Though time has carried years away, your love is here with me each day. In every sunset's golden light, I see your smile shining bright. And while my hair has turned to gray, my heart has never gone away. The grandchildren laugh when they come near. Their little voices fill my ears. They ask me stories of the past, of how our simple love would last. I tell them love is patient and kind, a gentle hand through changing times. Not riches, fame, or grand display, just staying close along the way. The old radio still softly plays songs we danced to in younger days. Though my steps are slow today, I still remember every sway. The chair beside mine still waits for you, like the moon still waits for evening dew. Though life has aged these hands of mine, your precious love still gently shines. And when my final evening falls, beyond these fields and autumn walls, I hope I'll hear your voice once more, waiting gently by heaven's door. I found your letters yesterday inside the drawer where they still stay. The paper's old, the ink has faded, but every word is softly painted. You wrote about our little dreams, a tiny house beside the stream. And though the years have come and gone, your loving words still carry on. The hands of time may bend and sway, precious memories always stay. These letters in the old drawer open every forgotten walking down our old dirt path. Though my eyes are growing weak, your sweet voice is what I seek. Like autumn leaves that softly fall, your love still warms this aging soul. The old guitar leans by the wall. I barely play its strings at all, yet every chord still brings me back to younger days along the tracks. The children now have children too. Life moved faster than we knew, but every evening by the fire, I still remember our desires. Silver hair and wrinkled hands, we never knew how time would dance. But every season that has passed has made our simple love still last. These letters in the old drawer mean much more than ever before. For every line and every page has gently traveled through the age. And when the stars light up the sky, I sit alone and softly smile. For though the years have taken much,